Next step is to click on self-enroll in this course. At this time, if you do not have a CourseSite account, please click on the bottom option. Fill in the credentials provided. If you do have an account already, click on the top. I'll give you some time to fill in the information or sign in. When you're done with everything, you should be brought to my course sites. So I'm going to actually go to my course sites because it doesn't bring me right to it. On the left side, it should say content, but I want you to take a look through the course sites and see all the options that you could have when you build a course. I know you're kind of limited right now because you're in as a student, but just take a few minutes to look at it. When you're done, I want you to click Content, and iSpring Suite should pop up. You will see the and click it. iSpring Suite is an e-learning authoring tool that can enhance your PowerPoint presentations into an interactive course. Through this, you can create a SCORM package, which allows anyone to access this course with whatever device. So it can be an iPad, a phone, computer, and you don't need the application in order to open it. I decided to create my project on Charlotte's Web for my third graders. When you click on my iSpring folder, Charlotte's Web quiz should appear right here. When you click on the link, the program should pop up. You might have to click launch or turn off your pop-up blocker if it's not working. And it should load, and here we are. I created this courseware to assess my students on the book. There are a few open response questions and multiple choice. On every question I provided audio, which you can just click. Welcome everyone to Charlotte's Web. There are going to be a few questions that you need to answer. Remember, answer them to the best of your ability. There are a few short answer responses that I will look over and I don't need to go into full detail about that. And all you really do for the multiple choice is click one and then you click submit. I really enjoyed using iSpring, but there was one downfall for the open response questions. With the open-ended questions, there is no right or wrong answer, but I did not have the option to keep it open. It does allow me to look over the answers and adjust the score. If you decide to complete it, please remember the open response answers will automatically say incorrect. I hope you use this authoring tool in the future because it is really helpful and the students will really enjoy it. Thank you for watching.